Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the hardware. Locate the car's AUX jack, often on the dash, console, or inside the glove box, and get a 3.5 mm cable. Once done, power the vehicle to accessory so the stereo is live. The system must detect an external input. Make sure your phone is unlocked and volume at a medium level. You do this so the source will be recognized immediately and to avoid blasting audio when you connect. You now plug the cable in firmly. Phone first, then the car's AUX port. Listen or feel for a secure seat. Next, change the head unit source to AUX or media input. Some cars label it line-in. Start audio on your phone at a low level so you can avoid clipping, then raise the phone and stereo volumes to match. If audio is faint, adjust gain or use the stereo's preset volume units. This helps balance levels and reduces distortion. You finish by testing playback, calls, and voice directions to confirm consistent sound and correct left/right balance. Make small adjustments to EQ and volume, then secure the cable so it won't pull loose while driving. If there's no audio, troubleshoot, try another 3.5 mm cable, inspect the phone jack, or use a USB or Bluetooth adapter if available. One key tip: if static or dropouts occur, wiggle the plug gently to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.